Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our lesson today. Remember, we have been dealing in our previous lessons. We have been dealing with time. Today, we shall be looking on fare, tables, and interpretations now, where the person or the travels or the vehicle travels from one town to another town, or from one station to another station. Here, you are told what is the fare from the following towns. Here there's a table. They said Mbidi travel from Kikuyu to Kenyatta. Mbidi traveled from Kikuyu. Mbidi traveled from Kikuyu to Kenyatta. Via Kangarwe. How much did she pay? How much did she pay? Then there will be a table now you'll be given. This is the table now. We have here 20. Here we have 45. Here we have 60. Here we have 80. Then here we have 15. Here is 15. Here is 20 and 25. 15, 20, and 25. Then we have here 15. We have 10. We have 10 here. Then you are told here is Kangarwe. Here is Kikuyu. Waithaka. Here we have Kenyatta. And here we have Kangarwe. Now, we have this table fare. You're told Mbidi travel now from Kikuyu. Now this person travel now from Kikuyu, to Kenyatta, via Kangarwe now. This is now Kangarwe. Via is means through Kangarwe. So when you travel from Garissa and then you are heading to Nairobi, so you travel from Garissa, then you pass Mwingi. That now Mwingi is via now. So you are told now from Kikuyu to Kenyatta via Kangarwe. So the first thing we do, we must get past Kikuyu to Kangarwe. Kikuyu is here and Kangarwe is here. Now from Kikuyu to Kangarwe, then we read now is 20. You go and read from where you have started the journey. So he started the journey from Kikuyu, then he passed the Kangarwe. So from Kikuyu to Kangarwe here is shillings 20 now. So it is shillings 20. So from Kikuyu to Kangarwe, this is now shillings 20 plus. Then now from Kangarwe, now he proceed to now Kenyatta. Now this one to this one, then this one to this one now. So from Kikuyu to Kangarwe is 20. Now from Kangarwe to the last station now, Kenyatta. From Kangaroo to Kenyatta now. Kangaroo to Kenyatta, we have here 10. So plus 10. So it is shillings. This shillings also equals to the base, shillings 30. So this person base, shillings 30. That is how we get. It's very simple. I'm repeating. This guy travel now from Kikuyu to Kenyatta via Kangaroo, through Kangaroo. So he passes through Kangaroo so that he reached the last destination, which is Kenyatta. So the first thing you do, you go and find out from Kikuyu through Kangaroo to Kangaroo now. Kikuyu to Kangaroo is here. You read now. You read now here. From Kikuyu to Kangaroo here we have shillings 20. I've written there. Then now Kangaroo to the last destination now to Kenyatta is shillings 10. Then you add the 2, you will get shillings 30. That is how we solve. Find another question. Find the distance from X to Y via Y. Find the distance. Find the distance from. Find the distance from X to Z. From X to Z via Y. From via Y. Then we have this table. This is the table now. So here we have 20. Here we have 45. Here we have 60. And here we have 80. Here we have 80. Then here we have 60. Then the next year we have 40. Then here we have 30. Here we have 30. So here we have 15. Here we have 30. Then here is VWX, VWX, then VWX, Z, yeah. VWX, then YZ, YZ. So from X to Z via Y. From X to Z via Y. So how do we look now? From X to Z now via Y through Y. Now the first thing we do, we go to now X to Y. That is the via through. Then after that is when you go to now a Y to Z. So what we do now, you are told X to Z via Y. What you do, you go to now X to Y, that is via, then Y to Z. That is how we do. So X to Y now. X to Y is 15. So X to Y is 15. X to Y is 15. Shillings 15. Then Y to Z now. Y to Z. Y to Z is 30. So Y to Z is equals to shillings 30. Then what do we do now? We add the 2 now. Let us add the 2 plus. So you get 45 shillings 45. That is the amount. The person base shillings 45. That is. So here is 15 kilometer, and this is now 30 kilometer. So it is 45 kilometer. That is the distance now. So I'm repeating. You are told X to Z via Y. Via Y means now through Y. So you go to X to Y 15 kilometer. Then Y to Z now to the last destination. Y to Z is 30 kilometer because you are told find the distance. So you will get 15 plus 30, you will get 45 kilometer. That is how we get. You are told what distance, what is the distance from N to K via M? What is the distance? What is the distance from what is the distance from N to K? N to K via M. So let us draw now the table. Here we have 80, we have 113, and we have 103, and we have 103. Then here we have 140. Then here we have 27. We have 27. Here we have 137. 137. So here is K, L, M, N. So you are told what is the distance from N to K via M. So N to K via M. So what we do now, we say N to M. So N to M, because this is via through. You cannot jump this one. You have to pass Mwingi when you are going to Nairobi. So N to M, then M to K. That is how we do now. So N to M. So N to M. Where is N? N to M is 27. N to M is 27. Then now M to K. M to K. Where is M? M to K. M to K is here, is 113. M to K is here, 113. So plus 113 plus 113. So you will get 113 plus 27. You will get 0. Here is 4. Here is 1. So you will get 140 kilometer. So you will get 140 kilometer. N to K via M. N to K. N to M first. N to M is 27. Then M to K. M to K is 113. So when you add 27 plus 113, you will get 0, you will get 3, you will get 140. So that's how we get 140. Then we go to now the last question is, you are told Mutumbi started from town U to town Z. Mutumbi started a journey. Mutumbi started a journey from town U to town Z. To town Z. To town Z to do some shopping. 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 Then this is now the table. This is now the table. Here is we have the table like this. Here is 90. This is U. Here is 90. Here is 113. Here is 115. Here is 115. Here is 113. Sorry, 113, 123. 123, 115, then 146. 146. Then we have this one. Here is 24. Here is 89. Here is 86. Here is 132. Then the other one, we have this one. We have 25. We have 97. And we have 120. Then the other one, we have 42. This one. We have 42. We have 93. and we have 36. You have 36, so here we have Y, here we have Z, here we have X, here we have W, here we have V, and this one we have U. So you are told now this person started the journey from town U to town Z to do some shopping. Now from town U to town Z, U to Z now, to the last destination, from town U to town Z to do some shopping. Then the question is asking from town U to town Z, but stopped at town X. Sorry, from town U to town Z, but stopped. Sorry, but stopped. But stopped. But stopped. But stopped at town. At town. At town X to do some shopping. To do some shopping. To do some shopping. To do some shopping. So this person has traveled now from town U to town Z, but stopped at town X to do some shopping. So he was traveling from town U to town Z, but he has stopped at town X to do some shopping. Now the question is asking how much more fare did she pay? How much more fare did she pay? How much more fare? How much more fare did she pay? How much more fare did she pay? How much more fare did she pay? Because she has stopped to a certain town to do some shopping now. So you are told how much more did she pay. If she travels direct from U to Z, and if she stopped at town X now, how much more will she pay? Will she travel direct than when she stopped at town X? That's what they are asking now. Let us see. You are told she traveled from town Y to town Z. If she travels from town Y to town Z direct, she will pay Shillings 146. If she travels now, the total journey, direct from town U to town Z, the amount she will pay, U to Z is here U, and Z is here. You come here and read below the town you have started from your journey. So from town U to town Z, that person paid now Shillings 146. So U to Z, you will pay U to Z, you will pay Shillings 146. And now if she stopped now, she has stopped now at this juncture. So and then proceed now from U, she has stopped now at point X now. How much will she pay now? U to X, where she did some shopping. She alighted there. So U to X, she will pay 123. U to X, she will pay 123. So U to X, she will pay Shillings 123. Now, from X now to Z now. From X to Z, how much will she pay? From X now, from X is here. From X to Z, how much will she pay now? From X to Z, how much will she pay? She will pay Shillings 93. From X to Z, she proceeded now. Suppose X to Z, you will pay Shillings 93 now. So X to Z now, after she proceeded with her journey, you will pay, she paid Shillings 93. Now, how much will she pay now? This one, the last journey. So this is 6, 9 plus this one is 1. This is 2 now, 216, Shillings 216. If she has stopped now at town X, she will pay Shillings 216. When she traveled direct from U to Z, she was supposed to pay Shillings 146. You are told how much more. The question is asking how much more fare did she pay now, because he's the one who was doing some shopping now. So she has to be charged. How much more now did she pay? We subtract now. So we say now Shillings 216, that is the amount she was charged when she stopped at point X now to do for some shopping, minus the amount she will have paid if she traveled direct to point Z now, minus Shillings 146, 0. Here we become 7, so Shillings 70. That is the amount she will have paid. This is the amount, how much more. This is the amount that she paid after she stopped at point X. So told Mutumbi started journey from town U to town Z, but stopped at town X. Why? To do some shopping. Then here we have the towns. So how much more fare did she pay? Because she has stopped now. So when she traveled now from U, she has stopped at X, she has alighted. She has to pay shillings 123. That's why I say U to Z. If she travel now from U to Z direct now, she will have paid shillings 146. Now U to X, where she has stopped, she paid 123. Then she proceeded now. She continued with her journey now. From where? From X to the last destination Z. X to Z is here. X is here, Z is here. You come below the Z, so below the X, which is 93. So X to Z is 93 now. Here is X to Z. I've written 93. What do you do now? You add now the two parts now. U to X, 123. X to Z, 93. You will get shillings 216. How much more did she pay now? You subtract it now. Direct 146, stopping 216. How much more? 216 minus shillings 146. You will get shillings 70. So fare is only that, and it's very easy. So we shall stop it there for today. Thank you very much.